let me ask you, when will you expose something? What kahle ukuthi ikufakela some bread?
Okay, okay. I wanna answer you, but with a statement. As a character, if nangabe kanjalo, who exposed it? Because nangabe uswena ke game kena, will I expose something that gives me bread?
Yeah.
So ngibanola expose ayena usela this thing.
Phela to kangisho this thing come with nama terms and conditions. There are people maybe like labangena kiyo le shit and then sebafuna kuphuma and then they started to expose this shit.
And then the story salomjidela mayisolo usena lendlu yakhe secela kwa Black
Coffee neighborhood. Esekade how kani they are Black Coffee how much?
I saw 200 something million video yayingephasi kwelemo so mara nje eceleni kwakhe vele that's why this thing lady indima idlala kangaka and it unyaka sokuphuma nedance yakhe lo mjida basikela kunema soul dance
Yatrenda though.
and yatrenda
Liksalo who is this thing?
Do I so
I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, bro.
You're Kaizer Chiefs fan?
Yeah.
I'm a Pirate fan, Miss Amin.
Yeah, I don't like you.
I don't
like you, bro. Every Orlando Pirates fan, I hate him or her.
But the men are bros.
Hey yo. What's up with you? It's your boy, the one and only bro. Always the king in this beach, bro. We're inside shooting crazy videos. The uncut bros, bro. You know, we're always inside, like say. We're trying to perfect the craft. Trying to engage. We're trying to bring good vibes, bro. The uncut bros. You know what I mean? We're shooting episode. This is episode 7, bro. I'm not alone here. You know, I'm always with my nigga, bruh. My nigga JR in this beach.
You what's
nice.
up?
You nice.
I'm good.
It's your It's your energy super, bro.
I'm
happy for this shit.
I'm very happy to
Yeah.
It's been a while.
It's been a while, bro. It's been a while. But like technical issues, bro. Real life problems.
But technical issues.
Do you think the audience wanna know what's happened?
No.
What happened?
They missed us. It's a story for another day.
A story for another day, guys. But you should appreciate it. We are back.
I hope not when it's complete.
For sure, though. The uncut bros. It's just that like people I feel like right now they are sleeping on us. They're sleeping on this shit. But I feel like they're gonna wake up, bro, some other day.
Yeah, we'll get there.
We'll get there,
Crazy shit. Story's been there, man.
Story's been there, though.
Yeah, when I go to
a
lot of stories.
A lot of stories.
But to stay tuned.
It's a blessing in disguise.
It's a blessing in disguise. Yes.
Shit, crazy. My like EJ is crazy. It's crazy.
It's crazy, man.
Guys, make sure you tune in, like make sure you comment. Even if no matter comments are in down there, comment, like we're gonna really like we would appreciate your comment, because in artist I want to say, okay, you guys, you are watching this thing, you guys, you are engaging with us. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so, you must also subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah. Maybe
road to 1K subscribers.
Yeah, let's make a challenge. Road to 1K.
Road to 1K.
You know what I said? Maybe I said a certain chat. Maybe if I can say my maybe as I say if we reach 1K
subs,
as much as something. Because if you reach 1K, let's promise them something. Because if you reach 1K,
what? Yeah.
Let me a celebration.
But what do you think, bro? Should be a gift or maybe? Should be a surprise. Mystery box or like something that is mysterious and shit.
Okay, I have an idea, man. That's not maybe if we reach 1K.
Yeah.
Let's make a house part.
Shit.
Take it live.
Yeah.
Post it.
Like as a vlog type shit.
Yeah, do a vlog.
Type shit. Yo, that's a great idea. Say, make sure you guys get tuned. Make sure you subscribe.
Guys, comment if Richard 1K
type shit.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys like say push this channel, bro. Push this channel, like say.
Yeah,
Push this
channel.
channel,
Say.
It's 1K. For sure.
Let's do this shit, Buffett.
Let's tell some more. Let's tell crazy shit. Let's tell bro. Let's tell this shit, like say.
Yeah.
Yo, bro. Like I know you know this nigga, my soul and shit.
Yo.
What would Mr. Lo? Where is from? Like what would be like Dagitara, bro. Like yeah.
I can't be sure kusena wakumagdala mara bekungathi usihlala Northwest.
Akasi was KZN. Nah.
Yeah, maybe if you okay, let's check your biography.
Okay, can you check your biography?
Yeah.
Because like some people they
Mara phela bahlala Northwest. Libe ngisho ngawo mina usele bahlala Northwest.
Yeah. Yo guys, what do you think my soul is from? Like comment down below and tell us what you say my soul. Wagupi and shit. Tell us, say, gonna wait for your response down there, bruh. Then fuck with us.
This guy Mbana,
He's
been making headlines. He's been making headlines. Yeah, he's from Northwest.
Northwest. Oh.
Man, wait.
Yeah.
It's not from. It's based.
It's based in Northwest.
Yeah, it's based in Northwest.
Yeah. Now, what's the biography like?
Let's check. Let me check the biography.
Yeah.
The biography. Lana was biography.
Can you say my soul biography? Yeah. I think everything will appear on the shit. Yo, guys, I'm happy. I have flu, guys. Yo, please bear with me. Like my voice is kind of cracky, but like you guys know.
Yeah. He's based and he was born there in France. He's from Northwest.
Oh, he's from Northwest.
Yeah, he was born and raised in Northwest.
Shit.
Yeah.
My soul handlings.
Yeah.
My soul handlings. Handlings or
my
so holdings. Holdings logistics. Okay. But like, do you think ufunzile mhlana makafunzi?
I can't be sure. Hey,
education wise. Oh, it's just someone nje lo uphandile nje.
Yeah, okay, asibuya kanje because nana sathi kanje usiphanda because academics akaswati kahle kusena mhlawumbe academically.
What is the internet saying?
Okay, ngathatha bengisafuna ngathatha okay, you can check it. Yeah, the story sakhe this guy nganje Irish guy. Yeah. Can you believe it uskena this thing in Uganda 2018?
2019, 2020, 2020.
It's 8 years ago.
8 years ago.
Yeah.
I suppose.
Possibly.
8 years ago, except bro. Phela dog. Dog. Phela you remember ukuthi la people laba blessed vele.
But this guy you can't compare him maybe from Elon Musk maybe he's coming from a
rich family,
family and stuff because we don't know much about the family background and stuff. Yena sathi straight. And if very fair very well yena nangena ku industry uqale ke blast bekane mayingi kusena uyadlula industry before yena bese own immind yena abengena ungena emathenda kumayini yabo
ungena ngethenda
ungena emathenda usiba plus 3
with the my soul holdings and shit.
Yeah, kule ma yes.
Oh, I think my soul is lokunye maybe edog yabona ngifuna kubona like the startup. I think my soul bekasipana khona and shit
before.
Yeah. Cause dog, even if labangani bakhe bamnika like the funds for starting the business, shit, they knew he's gonna pay the cash back or after Katasga Wena, what do you say dog? What do you say dog?
Yabona ukuthi
Khona basipana khona just someone nje lo uvumuke nje from nowhere.
I'm trying to check kusena lana lomjida. Yeah, the problem even the story sakhe background yakhe kusena aze la afika la khona. The only thing ngibona kulana kusena vele ungene kusena adrile last thing. Yabo ngale company kusena wangena.
Yeah.
Story sakhe before that asibonakala. You have to go deep maybe sokufuna one before yena angena ngala mathenda kusena last stuff.
The dog bese kuliwe sangiplaya mina manje ngisemshithweni. Bese sangiplaya dog when I say dog this shit is like has to do with like my rituals and shit. Has to do with like black magic.
Mara but what if umjida kusena is very intelligent? Okay, let me explain my point. Kusena what if yena wabona I problem yabona. Then yena ucabona I solution mase kusiyabona ngena. Because
I'm sorry for saying ukuthi uthwele dog.
Because yabona ukuthi yadla yini usolekala ini ndaba. Yeah. Ukuthi yabona maybe yabona la location esingasihle khona.
Yeah.
Sisigena ngibengise masibongo ukuthi yathi from industry lena kubukele futhi ekhaya.
Yeah.
Ekhaya. So mara then fast forward 8 years later sengihamba ngeBrabus. Yabo ngibone ukuthi mina I've seen the problem la location usene kambani. Nginenkinga ka song asi mina okay fine. Okay mina let me come with the solution. Because really there's this thing usena for you to do very well.
You need to come with
you have to create the problem
and solve it.
The solution. Yabo. Yena wathi vele ucabona le solution wasena hayi. Bafethu. Ngivule ka so.
I get you. I get you, which is a valid point because
it's a valid point.
That's a valid point.
And let's keep it that way because something it's up for a debate.
Because very what's my like uthola imali she was uqala ama businesses like my rural areas and shit. Yabo.
And it's also a philanthropist and we are sitting nama business amancane we are nematwala nje lokushini ama local businesses.
Yeah.
Yakhona kumunsi.
Except okay. Yabona dog noma ngabe mistake sebathi uthwele dog but say at least mistake like uyakhona kubhekela like achama khona khona like ukusiza abantu and shit.
At least okay la basitaka because maybe bakhona bakhala bona yabona. Mara la basitaka
but asobuke on a scale wise bro ukuthi how many people are crying about my soul.
Abancane kakhulu lapho you can't debate
and futhi like the people abakhala dog I think laba who are broke and now laba dog laba haters kahle the haters lebe vangazo say because dog you know ukuthi vele nathi vele se brief yethu sibakamnyama ukuthi say once someone number extremely like successful and shit sibangazo ukuthi say like it's either Illuminati or uthwele
bona vele
we never believe ukuthi umuntu can work hard.
Another part this words these two words was 76 I'm happy with
the Illuminati and
these things.
Yeah,
because those people maybe that you can assume was bad.
Yeah.
Abakhuluma mara thina listen them
the people uba laba ngilele
that you can assume usibangilele. These people angeke bakhanza bakhuluma ngakho yabona usene mfana this thing yabona maybe mhlawumbe siyakhuluma ngawo sine nakhona so bese base ngakhuluma mina niyathi mina ngayakhe yabona.
Let me ask you, when will you expose something what kahle ukuthi ikufakela some bread?
Okay I wanna answer you but with the statement as a director usena mina ke if nangabe kanjalo who exposed it because nangabe uswena ke ngena will I expose something that gives me bread?
Yeah.
Ngibani la expose ayena usele this thing
phela dog actually this thing come with nama terms and conditions. There are people maybe like labangena kiyo the shit and then sebafuna kuphuma and then they started to expose the shit
and they come out alive,
bro. You hope dog
it's possible
because the shit is like an accident as an accident, a car accident nalabafaku nalabaphilako they gonna testify for this, they go testify about the shit ngokutshela abantu sekuthi kanje 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 ngishayela imoto ngofasa mabhani
But
even now,
okay, I feel you. Sorry, but if this thing, that means this thing is not that deep. I feel like if it's easily exposed, we can easily expose it. What I saw that. Do you see this thing? Because if it was very deep, have you ever heard about this thing? Okay, in my film, there's a classified information. If you have this information, you just disappear. If you can have a very classified information, do you think you can survive?
Nah.
Never. Why? Because that can say a lot about this shit. But a person it's classified as that.
Actually, yeah, I want to talk. I feel what you're saying. And to get a very talking. It's like I want to mouth let it talk the next. People are complaining. People are talking. People are confiding out here. No, people is hard. When you're doing something for yourself, people are gonna say, "Bro, I don't follow." Like say, like, child to know and shit. You know,
yeah.
So very talk. Eventually, say, I when I push, I talk better. Equal success too. I think about it.
Success is there.
Very talk. Even talk like the Bible talk. I should say. People like it, like nigga talking. About talk if you are working hard.
Yeah.
Very talk you will get the shit.
Yeah.
Back. You get the shit back, bro. So I'm saying, I feel like the one never talk they are gods.
Yeah, this guy.
Success is there, bro.
Yeah, success is there, man. And hey, this guy's been making headlines.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put a big one. The part of my soul, I love Dubai.
Oh, 50K.
This guy already booking for you.
Yeah.
And the last thing I couldn't get a certain so pay you 50 grand.
That's crazy.
That was crazy.
That's crazy. That's crazy. 50K.
I understand that being successful, you do things.
It is like
you release 50,000 just for a song.
No, but it's too bro. To him.
Yeah, to him it's not
like 5,000. There's nothing 5,000.
And I mean, I felt he hated only. I felt some jealous vibes
towards him.
Yeah. But I know if this guy is rich, why did he give Ndabase to buy a helicopter?
Why a helicopter?
Why a helicopter?
Why a helicopter? One thing you need to know about it, not such a akafuni umuntu ma probes.
And
akafuni dog.
Yeah, the intelligence is there, but I feel like in so far nathi nguyelo khuluma isense. Nguyelo khuluma isense nje kuphela the other people la abakhuluma isense. Because I felt like okay, that was another episode.
Yeah.
Before that episode, they had the interview. Okay, it doesn't. They were podcast na masterpiece. And this guy could make some valid points. Note, but instead of taking these points, note, I felt like he was given a challenge. So you have the experience. You had all these things, those things to achieve. Why man you not as an artist, an upcoming artist? We had the exact thing looking away before.
What for?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Shit.
I said okay, I'm up for the challenge. I'm gonna take this thing. Prove that game. This thing I can do something.
Shit.
And this guy, this masterpiece guy, and that's why it's very intelligent. And then ngibona akhona, lokumtshela kathi, sinokubona lapha kuhlabela nanani. Lapha from mina here's my respect.
Yeah.
Ngandlela yaba ngalendlela leba consideration into lebamutha akhona. Ngandlela lebamutha akhona.
Like he's smart as far.
He's very smart. Ungabona ukuthi mhlawumbe ula is an artist. This guy is very smart. And I think ngifuna sengicheck i-background yakho se. I don't want to confuse.
You think so?
Hayi, ngalendlela ebecabanga khona. Hayi. Akho grand lokumjide kusena.
Shit.
And
but it is what it is. Don't like say
Not. Yena we can't take away kusena is
Hayi intelligent ekuseni. Yaphapha.
Yeah, also papa vela.
Yaphapha to. Yaphapha to. Ene yobusolo bra.
Uvile le story salomjidelo mayisolo kusena lendlu yakhe secela kwa Black Coffee.
Black Coffee nebawo. Esekani how kani they Black Coffee how much?
I saw 200 something million lo. Ingephansi kwalemo so. Mara nje eceleni kwakhe vele that's why this thing lady indima ayidlayisa kangaka kusena. Enethi unyalo sokuphuma nedance yakhe lo mjidelo basikela nema soul dance.
Yatrenda though.
And yatrenda.
Likusalo who is this nigga? Skomota and shit.
Yeah.
Who is Skomota vele? But fuck Skomota. Fuck Skomota though. Lisa Skomota my son.
Yeah. Ungazuza Skomota this dog.
Oh. Fuck.
Yeah, let
dance.
Yeah, because ngathi uSkomota lofuna lama dance kusena trend dance thizeni.
Yeah.
Yeah, okhona nafike before yena mara but ngiyelo lesivamse lesibese sayithanza yajwayele kakhulu.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, it's been happening jam
It's been happening and then shocking story say when I hear bro. Shocking story the lo cherry bro she's 37 she's 31 lo chelo na lo shiyile to kwaba waguga nje.
Oh, hey, I heard the story say
from 31 to
a very old grave.
Like that's like 80 something years.
Hey, excellent story.
But the story like he was skeptical about it is because like at the same time he has 10 because when you see the energy you can see really she look like she's young.
Okay, yeah.
Cause bro. Do you think bro when someone can tell you say right now information that I show band from there? Cause I'm 31 years old.
Okay, yabona le story sakhe yena lo mawuledi. Yena naka school. Inede yena ngase kwancane ama interviews yabo.
Yeah.
Because if
why?
Nasingeva ngathi.
Why?
Uvumela yathi problem lekhona.
Why?
Yabona Excel. Yabona let me not say South Africa. Yabona social media. That's change story.
That's just
story vele inkumbe etimba because at first the story we heard this lady ulele ne foreigner. Yabo. That's why el foreigner uthola ukuthi yena ngase el foreigner umfowethu wa le foreigner mthambeni bekende into some this black ritual things
yabo. For sure.
Black magic.
For sure.
And then from nowhere mina sengithola story sohleleni I think it was this brother.
Yeah.
Asena kayithanda into lendeka lapho yena kasakasala le foreigner nani. Kanti ngathi le foreigner ngase iyaqhamuka naye. Yebo ngase iyaqhamuka naye. Yebo lo gogo yalo songogo. Because ngibukela ama comments I've read the comments asena kahlahla thina
but if you ask yourself why would she say yena weneka le shit leyo solala nemuntu from balala within outside the country base uyashintsha soba lokho wena why do you think bayakusho lokho?
Yeah,
kususela kuphi lokho?
I think it was other this thing lebehendeka this match South Africa this match kawasena naye bayafuna
opportunities.
Yeah, uthatha ama opportunities thathe kusela this spotlight ngaphansi match abahambe wakhona naye kungena wasena nami ngene ne foreigner that's why ama foreigners akahamba yabona South Africa hayi yabona South Africa
bro bokhumbula ukuthi media vele njengoba ushite media can change a lot of shit.
Hayi Mara, do you think this lady usata change abuyela can she restore age yakhe abuyele? Can she be restored?
Nah, it's impossible.
Very much so
dog is over.
And even the surgery now vele the surgery ngeke ilunge.
Bro, ubonile umuntu njani ngala? Ubonile umuntu. Bro, from here to
Empethu angihlekile siduze.
I get you too.
It is such a rose, but vele you are right, man. There's no way she can be restored.
There's no way.
There are people abanemali. Vele bagogile namali. Kube base it's possible ukuthi bangaba restaurant.
Ngangeva like the mommy, the granny is like she's fat or something. Bangahamba esibhedlela like surgery to do those things like abuyele into a normal like weight and shit. Normal size. Yabo.
Yes, sir.
But I think it's over for her, man.
Yeah, it's over, mfana.
Yabo.
Another story ngifuna sikhuluma kancane lesi.
Yeah.
Are you a fan of soccer? Do I soccer?
Yeah. I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, bro.
You're a Kaizer Chiefs fan?
Yeah.
I'm a Pirate fan, Miss Amin.
Yeah, I don't like you.
I don't
like you, bro. Every Orlando Pirates fan, I hate him or her.
But the they are bros. Okay, it's our first difference. So say that meaning favorite Pirates and favorite Chiefs. Except I'm gonna sit there for kancane kule game.
Yeah.
Yabona for the first time I didn't celebrate usena winning the league because ngicabanga nama goals mina langenile nale. So wina ngama own goals.
It's crazy.
That was very surprising, actually.
That was very surprising.
And at the same time, yabona abantu basezidiyo njalo. Mina vele mina bengasasi support Pirates. Bengiphuma Pirates.
Like
Kubezidiyo nje. Even if kuba strowile, mina bengiphuma khona. There was no ways mfana. There was no ways because I felt like overseas ithethe Arsenal. At least Arsenal seyishintshile phela. Arsenal it's been 24 years. So lungathathi league.
It's 24, 22.
Yeah, I'm not sure between 22 and 24 years. So lungathathi
league. Ithethe nayo.
It last yayithatha. And I felt like nayithatha yona ngasimina again maybe the Paris to thatha but I had that hope. Even basically vela bengiphuma kuwe nje mangiphuke hayi. I'm also saying Arsenal fan man.
Yeah, Arsenal fan.
Yeah, because it's it.
Kanzi boyini
before I was only
all over.
No, I was mina supporter mina Pirates player.
Shit.
Support Pirates nje kuphela. Nyalo sengisupporter Arsenal.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get you. I get you. Say, mina vele say I'm a Chiefs fan. If you favor Pirates, nah. Not for me. Then I'll talk vele. No, I'm not saying. I'm not saying to my. This is my bro. I'm saying to anyone. I hate you, bro. Simple as that.
So what's been happening around? What's been happening around Swaziland? What's been happening around Eswatini? Eswatini.
I say, bro, the only thing that I know about Eswatini is like I can talk about the influencing shit. I can talk about the media. Like I can talk about the shit there.
Because I'm looking at this story Saloma already diskulma ngaso phela nangiloma already bukela ngathi this sizama kumrestore yabona yini le. Look at this indalo enhle Herbs and Beyond.
Where
Ya nguye phela ma already bazama kumrestore
try and play.
Ma facial ngathi yabona le into the facial. Look at this shit. Yabona bo lethele mafutha.
Oh, kacha. This mommy lo magelo. Isangoma vele real life.
Loma already?
Yeah. This one.
Loma already?
No, I mean this one.
Oh.
Loma already, bro.
Oh, sengmange.
Yeah. Actually, lo magelo. From Uzalo, right?
No. Oh, bukala bangamboni ebethandeka.
Uzalo.
It's Mangcobo.
Yebo. I don't know ukuthi kuye lo bakulapho but
yeah, it's Mangcobo. Yeah, I'm seeing it's Thandeka Donkey. It's Thandeka Don. Salapho. Yeah, very sesangoma. Ngiyabona podcast this certain podcast edlala kuma channels TV on the television. Ngimbone ngesivile story sakhe vele ngeke ngayilalela podcast yakhe. Sangoma.
Yabo.
Is it? Oh man, okay, let me correct. Because Sangoma is another thing.
Yeah.
I think it's a prophet, Mthandazi.
No.
Yeah, it's Mthandazi. I'm not sure. Kona lapho nje, but it's a story less. Ngangayibukela nje. Yeah, because
the podcast here.
Yeah, the podcast yakhe.
Yeah.
But hey. But do you see the late ngathi bamrestore mbona sike like sombe lesibona yamasa ngase uyazama ukubuya man. Ngase uyabuya man.
But what you need to know ukuthi angeke abuye 100%.
Yeah, kona ngeke abuye nje, angeke abuye 100%, angeke. There's no ways.
Phela lokho over seyipower lenkulu leyo like the shit leyo say dog sasingaka nje like no human being can do that shit, bro. Again, bro. You know, from being old to being young. How can you do that?
Gonna fail.
Yeah, bro. Except, bro, I talk we need to push it. I was inspired to see Boslwana and Bokoko overseas.
Oh, yeah. They were overseas? No, they were not overseas.
They were overseas, bro.
Overseas?
Yeah. Like,
they were international, somewhere in Africa.
Addis Ababa.
Yeah, Addis Ababa. It's in Africa. Ethiopia.
Ethiopia is overseas, bro.
Ethiopia!
Bro, what? Dog, when I say I'm overseas, it's so good. It's
overseas? You are in America. You need to.
Nah, bro. Dog, do you remember what he? Lwandle here.
Yeah.
From Mzansi.
Yeah, Mzansi.
When you cross Mzansi, you are overseas.
Yeah, when you cross the sea, you're overseas.
Yeah.
But they just boarded the plane. They didn't go overseas.
What do you mean? Bro, what is overseas, bro?
Overseas? Excellent.
When I'm saying,
man, you're overseas.
Even someone from the States, like, I want to go overseas.
Yeah, but overseas.
Overseas like Germany. Among the States, I can say I'm overseas in Germany.
Yeah, but overseas.
You sugar States.
Yeah, even in the States,
Germany overseas.
But apart, there's no way to say that you are going overseas. We're Germany.
That's overseas, bro.
No, that's international. Yeah, international.
Okay, man. When I talk, what makes you think would see Swaziland as a Ethiopia to that?
Yeah, it's fair, everyone.
Well,
it's very far.
But I was from Eswatini to South Africa. That's international.
Same thing, man.
But from Eswatini to Ethiopia.
Okay, man.
That's international.
Man, let's just check this shit. Ethiopia. Ethiopia is in Africa. Who they don't know Ethiopia? You just board a plane, you go there. I don't want to use this word approach.
Can you check?
Because I'm gonna see check. I wanna.
Because probably I think. Can you check, bro? Please check.
I just wanna. They're in Ethiopia.
Please check.
These guys were here.
Okay.
Ethiopia.
Overseas, bro.
Okay. I want to show you. Here is Eswatini. Here is Ethiopia.
You see what you can buy so.
But there's no way. If you are in Africa, you can buy so. But if you're in
that's
Africa,
overseas.
No, that's not overseas. Okay. Let's check. Let me go to my app to check difference between being overseas. Okay, because abroad will still overseas.
Bro.
Okay, international.
No.
No.
International and overseas.
Okay, yeah.
Difference. Yeah. I think those things were overseas, bro. And I was inspired by that, dog. I was happy. I was like, fuck, bro. Yeah, I was happy, bro. Can you check, bro? I was inspired, but shout out to Gogo.
Yeah, what the
shout out to them, they're pushing it, sir. You know, they're pushing as fuck, sir. Shout out.
Okay, yabona.
What do they say?
Okay. Yabona la usena bathi overseas, it's a distance. Being across the sea or ocean from your country, it's overseas. Yabona kusena la being international. It's focused between involving multiple countries, no distance required. They were international. Beba international because they were ngekho la South la Swati, but they were in another country here in Africa. Mara
did you see the distance?
I can feel the distance.
But
there's no way you can say overseas because when you say overseas, we tell why.
How about the route which is in Mara? But I will in the sea.
Mara, but still, do you understand you said still? Okay, do you know why bus overseas? I feel like now overseas. When you in the ocean, you won't. Wabangalo in the ocean, you won't. Nangabo in the Pacific Ocean. Wabangalo Pacific Ocean. Because you can't say also say you were overseas. You say, or you say Madagascar. Because Madagascar, it's an island. They call still is it in the ocean? That's called in the ocean. Who said Nangala in the ocean? Nangala in the ocean. Never said that you overseas. Because it's
international.
Yeah, it's you can say it's inside, but Anaconda there's this word, man, that we need to use because I don't think it's international at all. But it's international, but not so clearly.
I feel you. I feel.
Yeah, except never was inspired by that.
Like I mean, I was inspired, except
because as man, influencers and stuff.
Influencers and shit.
But mixing logo, we have influencers.
But it's okay. Whether how do you think? Baselect kanjani the people okumele bayele baselecta ngama numbers or the how famous they are or the exposure that they bring to the youth? Do you think when about choose it what characteristics?
But I think you can combine them. They have the exposure, they have the numbers. They also what the other one?
They have like I said exposure, I said numbers, I said what is this thing?
They wanna go to influence. Very they have all these things. They meet all these. They have
these numbers.
And they have the numbers. This guy is okay. As big is except them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who comes close to them? Okay,
Dangwan.
The influence.
Dangwan.
Yeah, just them. Who can represent us as Maswati? Influencers.
Do you count this nigga Christian? Yeah.
I love him, but there's no way to say that.
Who do you count this niggas, bro? Ang starting team. Manikas, what Darren
still none they can.
But they have numbers, bro.
Yeah, they do have numbers. I don't dispute that. They do have numbers, but you can't compare them. What Darren in this Bongiswa guy.
Abosluan.
Angeke ubakompethe naboSlwane. boSlwane they bakuleague yabo nje kuphela.
They have crazy numbers.
Yeah, they bakuleague yabo bodwa and futhi maybe yabona maybe lesingasikena mhlambeni
close.
Can come close. It's bathi Gedlembani. This guy page. Azibe basebenza kanye kanye bo.
Not even come close. Gedlembani lapha talk even when sibayo actor.
Yebo phela vele
how Gedlembani is in talk.
Yeah, is it?
You
can come close to them. Yeah, ngwele singamnika bathi yabona manje ayikho sikena abaspana but you can't compare them to la Manchester boSlwane. I'm fana.
They have crazy numbers.
They have crazy numbers. Bona Not, I don't follow them that much.
Yeah,
Okay, I do follow them.
I do follow, but I'll
I don't
engage
follow
now.
them. But bona numbers. Ada ahead.
They're crazy.
Ada ahead. And come to it, sengikhumbula the last time sikhuluma ngama-influencers naSwati. Sakhohlwa kwakho impela ama-Crowdmoney lawo kusele. Bosilwane sakhohlwa ukukhuluma ngabo kusena. We do have influencers phela la.
How we do everything.
We do have influencers.
Coconut strategies.
Coconut silwane aye.
Those are powerful.
They know lento yabo bayayazi ngendaba.
Like they are, bro. Like they are pushing the culture. They are pushing the. But I see you guys like now at home like I show you push it dog. Push now it up.
Push.
What if now? What if maybe when now it's okay? Everything will work out for you. What if now you will have that influence?
Yeah, access akhuluma ngaSwaziland. Uvile le piece le. Kunale ngoma le lekhishwe ungicheke ka TikTok.
Yeah.
Leya yangiseshe angathi bese utheka Big Zulu. There's this song akusele kulilela ikhiphile mara ngathi utheke Big Zulu. And ngathi na Big Zulu respondile le ngoma.
Yeah.
Maybe ngathi ufuna kumfeature yini. The story. And ngiyifilile le ngoma. Kuyahlabela nje.
Bayazeshe. When are you a fan of Young Zesh?
Yeah, I can say I'm a fan.
Big fan.
Big fan, not a big fan. I'm a fan. Because I'm a fan of. Okay, do
you listen to his music?
I support my local artists. Yeah. Okay,
tell me 4 tracks of Young Zesh. Tell me 4 tracks, 4 songs.
There's
4 songs.
Hi, sing
Yeah.
Which one is it? Ikona. We're trying to expose my man. I do have this song, but after Sambakatele, I say here's a lot. Gakosa. Yeah, I'm going to mention it's Gakosa.
Gakosa, the viral one.
Listen, except when I think Gakosa. Except when I think Gomatakalum man. Con Gomatakal blind, man. Problem goes in our phone.
It's cool.
Okay, nabona ngimlalela kakhulu because bese uke waperforma khona local yabona uke waperforma local sasaqala ke sasisakhona kumlalela ukuthi Young Zesh ngizifake emara yaphusha lo mdidi and ngingabuka ne bekune diss track there's a beef between them with Lyrical Pastor and this guy Jerry yabona ngibake bakhipha diss track base ke respond ay bukela at first benga angilalelanga at first bukela ngayiseva nje la phone ngangayilalela bona because wayishootha abuke past le phone yabona so anganyayiswa ngilendlela ibamba ngale posini camera okay ngase ngeva ukuthi ngeva le ngoma yalo mjita lo angaka ngeva le ngoma mjita kase ayifaka sengoyilalela
crazy
I just split
so when if I can say choose between yena and Lyrical Pastor, who would you choose?
Okay,
between Young Zesh and Lyrical Pastor, who do you choose, bro?
Music wise. But except these two guys, they back in impact music in Swati.
Yeah, I definitely, bro. Definitely.
Jita Lyrical Pastor who could expose in South Africa, Basat, and then Young Zesh. Okay, yabona.
Choose one.
But man,
don't try to explain. Don't try to justify your politics.
I want to justify. I just want to justify.
Yeah. Let's go.
Because I feel like yabona Young Zesh noma ngangibani yamanje yabona ingcumbe emaswati yamanje Young Zesh Lyrical Pastor bantu abamati watiwa abantu labatayela music yabona because this guy Lyrical Pastor uyati music wise la Swatini yeah Young Zesh is there
but at first nguvoida uthi bro Lyrical Pastor is the one who was pushing her outside.
Yeah, Lyrical Pastor is the one.
Which is something dope. Because you know the entertainment industry like dog is fucked up.
Yeah.
Even if there's what people they can know you, but you cannot be able to sustain a living like what you say, bro. Fine, I don't pay but like I go pay the way
yeah, there's no okay, let's not say it's fucked up. As again, it is in my early stages. Yabona sisazama
bro, it's been how many years?
Do you know?
Say any stages.
Okay, do you know why? That's why it's not fucked up. Yabona, the industry le fucked up. Industry South Africa. If you like premier, it's fucked up because do you know why this is so? We are keeping ngoma le hit manje. Within 6 weeks that was ikhohlwe ngoma leyo. Understand? But back in the days ingoma bekwende kuseni ingoma iyastart inyanga letiningi kakhulu solo sijabulile. Manje setinile ingoma ene kancane sokunetile nto usena sokuthiwa nama awards everything yathengwa nanani yabona ema record labels aya exposewa nanani expose my artists nanani. You can say that's fucked up. Sine ngala kithi Swatini we didn't have the exposure. Khanze icala exposure kusena sesiyeva kusena Young Zeshi uflyile waya eTaiwan perform sive M-Nation uflyile waya eIndia perform siya exposeka manje sine lesingamanje sekuthandaze kuyi1 kusena bo M-Nation nabo Young Zeshi nabo Lyrical Bastard bangabe sibatitshela kusikena bona just because bona expose music besitshela usena bona sebo uNkulunkulu bayivule kusena everything lokufuna yendeke ku music industry sokufuna endlule kubo yabona like yabona there are artists in South Africa lebevaka sena babulala industry South Africa because befakazi yonke into lokufuna endlule lapho kwabo bona abangabi nama artists lawo bavula iminyango nje waya.
So what's your final point?
My final point is
between those niggas.
These niggas.
Who will you go with, bro? I wanna know it.
Man, I think except that. Bro, there's no way
choose, bro.
I feel like there's no way to choose.
I talk even if you fuck with both of them, you need to. Like fuck it.
Okay, man, I'm gonna go back. Munye, here's the talent. Lyrical Bastard. Lyrical Bastard. Yeah, he's talented. But there's this guy.
Young Zesh.
No, wait. The thing's still fast. No, Young Zesh has the talent. Young Zesh is talented. Yeah.
What about Lyrical Bastard?
Man, Lyrical Bastard, what I can give Lyrical Bastard is expose my artist in Gum. Okay, no sense in Gum. This guy, Jerry Lo, Mlending Amon. Usabena Lumchika, Lyrical Bastard.
Oh,
I'm exposing him, fucking friend. We are full of for other talented guys, for other artists in Lyrical Bastard. No, Young Zesh is talented, yeah, what I was gonna. Hey, marapasang daw, successful pa niya sa school. Yabona if
short na uti le pro katlas.
Man, pinag isa na store na so na yabona itipate sila mas lang tu. Ngas nga ibigsa ngabo
Aries.
Yes, ngas nga ibigsa ngabo Lionel Messi na Cristiano. Yabona kusena. The match dalawa makotho ngithu. Singasho singena makotho. Music was Swatini yabona. But you can go singadebate kuze kuse ngabo sena lona wende it's very hard so ngabo sena sengaya kusena yabona nje lo umuntu sena na music was bani yabona sengabe singavela mina ke hayi fuck okay music lengulalelako because singasho pho sena music wa Lyrical Bastard bebe mnanzi simvile lapha kumtukulu nakana indaba seDubai asimvile ngoba beyiblaya mara Young Zesh nyalo na distract yakhe nje like lesifuna ngibonile angivile bekhamba yabona kunale ngoma le ngiyibonile le take khona Big Zulu la yakha kule yabona yabona sikena ngiyamfila ngala kumtukulu Lyrical yabona bese ngiyamfila na Young Zesh le takhosa
shotena we are saying bro kahlahle bathaza ongithula
yeah and also and futhi into le nto usena ngakhona ukubakhetha kahle kahle the local artists bangala mseshi ngomthulu yabona ngiyabafila bongithuku kusena hayi ene ya ngingakuhlosa ngiyabafila mfana
futhi just like kusho dog bona they are like bosilwane like content wise music wise they're like bosilwane bona
music Lyrical Bastard bafana nabosilwane kule asibona bangale comedy bosilwane bona kuna ngala ku music Oh, local, but let's say local because phela mfethu angeke sibayeke kunabo angowafuthi.
Eish.
Yabo.
Okay, Doc. Some people they are saying Wafuzi, we cannot categorize him as a Swazi at the moment.
At the moment.
Yeah.
Jose kufana nokuthi okay, let's some categorize as Swazi.
Because
Angowafuthi.
akachili here. We're talking about someone who takes a talk is a celebrity chila la.
Okay. Mara phathi man bona. Inkinga yathi siwaye le story kuselesi angeke sikena size Swazi. Ngingabona bese bathatha le story sa Doja Cat kusene she's a South African mara is based in America bona. Phela Doja Cat vele watalela le America yabona. Cher ugeleze ngala yabona. Vele wangala ekhaya kubo wangala. That's why simclaim asisike sinike na wangala msesha.
Futhi pope zamdzala.
Upope sakamdzala.
Labo thule something.
Yeah. Beka vele bayangala ene uyeda lana ema shows yabona. Ene
uyeda but ayithe ama shows.
Uyosha ama shows. Ene okay. Recently mina beka udonate icathulo na Fred Kola yabona.
Wafuzi.
Yeah, Wafuzi udonate ngale foundation ya
Shout out to Wafuzi though.
Ngale foundation ya Ilapen Boy.
Yeah.
Udonate. Nako ngofavor ngoba ilexe. Bara bekumfavor le foundation yakhe ebekusebenza lo mthitelo wami.
Wafuzi like Ilapen Boy musi kuthiwa like the foundation yakhe like he was eating a lot of cash.
Oh, even if bekadla a lot of cash yabona. I mean even if noma ngabe bekayidla a lot of cash mara phathi sikubonela kwendini. Because lokho umco bekayidla mara phathi bekakhomba ukuthi kwala msini. Nako lokho umco. Even if ngabe bekadla ngoba abantu ke okay ekuse okay nosukusena ngivumela usibekadla. Mara ndaka kuthi wena sibakufakela imali. Asasibenza there's this guy nyalo bathi ngusifufuza wekhanda.
I see this nigga.
Usho silethe imali abamsendela dona lokuthi asitebani. Shothana sangalamba endlini abe bethi bribe mara imali ikhona ingena kuye.
Yasasavela.
Awathatha ene namjita loyo ke shout out to
Sifufuza wekhanda.
Sifufuza ele mjita yasebenza. Yawa torta yakhe mfethu.
Yeah.
Nami I saw wish maybe one day singamakela iplan mjita.
Aphula.
Yeah, not invest aphula apha. Si donate ele mjita yasebenza ele yabona le time le okay little time by the way yabona mjita lo yasebenza.
Doc, let me ask you now, like how does it take for someone to be like Lamashitela?
What's the
Bro, someone if like energy Joe just for good night I find that Lamashitela if he or she wants to.
Amfana mina ngakubeka ngendlela ngibona ngayo uma ngendlela yami because maybe one day bostukuza kufuna bangayeda bona siba interview kusena ukuthatha kufuna yini ufuna uyende ukuze ufane nami akathi khulumela namarapers mina I feel like it's hard work mfana.
Hard work.
Yeah, kufuna usebende love your craft into la yendaba kufuna ube ne discipline,
consistency.
Yeah, the consistency. Yeah, diningi letinto nekubeketela ne patience.
Because vele if you can go deep stories like yabona ukuthi like level you can tell ukuthi level wayicala kathi.
Yeah.
But like it is what it is.
Yeah, I'm just excited.
Hard work. Only
hard work, excited.
How about me to say I'm chosen when I was supposed to like
still
this shit is my craft, except.
Yeah, man, boy. Level ena kufuna align ihambe kusena. It's hard work means you're also chosen because hard work mfethu
type shit.
You can work very hard but still flow. Lelo kufuna ihlangane nawe yabona nje you can say maybe calling yakhe lendvula
calling and akusho ukuthi futhi lawe wena lapho at home ovance nawe ufuna bostufuza dawukhona ngeke ukhona
angeke lokho kwakhe nje kwakhe lokho and futhi kwakhe kuseyathi kulele story lesakhe lesi lebekafuna bafuna kwenta surgery khona eNgcosi. Oh shit bafuna ihambe overseas.
Yeah.
Yo ne certain surgery.
Yeah.
Yabona indlela imali yahlangana ngayo fast.
Yeah.
Ngathi mina vele ngokumjita lo. Umuntu kodwa wenda nabo kenda nje amkenda nabo hayi. Umsebenzi wakhe la ku social ngiyambona. And talking about him, wa complain nekudla nakuthenga Pick n Pay. Wakhala mara but bamnikete loku right impinze emva babenze bambita leka ePick n Pay babese bamnikete kudla loku right wabese uyabonga ukuthi hayi ke yabona ke nyalo asengiko lokho. Yabona amagalelo akhe kusele lo mbuku vele wabhala social media washo sena Pick n Pay in bakhona kumnaka baka Pick n Pay basenayo bacela abuye because ngathi uyilo yacomplain othola kusena udle sleep yabona bakamna wanela kubhala bese bambita
power.
Yabona usena
That's power though.
Whatever is doing
Chosen.
Ufuna aqhubeke ngakhona because naye nje personally yami so kwalo kusena mhlawumbe noma ngafika vele noma ngafika kunasi mina nguStufuza so kusasuluke Stufuza.
Yeah, within the country. Though.
Yeah, within the country vele nguStufuza. And maybe not even within the country.
Do you think outside? Even outside.
The power of social media, say. Yabona the thing
bro is outside is something else, bro.
Except this guy, yabona
okay. I feel like they barely know him outside.
Except yabona mchitalo except. Yabona not ukuthi kena. Okay, I can say I'm giving him my flowers.
Oh, do about bro.
Yeah, I'm giving him my flowers. Yabona mchitalo except. Yabona the story latenda le influence tibona la social media wa. Nana. Yabona mntu abasitala. Usibasitela mfana angatiyo because ufuna ubuka nala ma reactions nama likes akhe kusena uposta info nyalo within 2 hours maybe say over 3K yabona ngayendlela senakwa ngayo le story sakhe
mara it's powerful because social media is powerful. Yeah,
bona yabona ngayo simina boStufuza abantu labasebenzisa labathola social media bamsebenzisa oba positive oba into lenhle nanani hayi le genge lena leyenda kusi social media kuthi abakhozi havoke ku social media nanani kuthi abantu soyaliwa nanani sokuyabanga sophuma beef nanani mara but say all in all inzozi pushing
and I'm happy for us
nama maybe say we come in
by Akas was still with the monetization shit.
Let's say no comment.
But
let's talk about this thing, especially to our subscribers. Let's say let's make a road to 1K.
Yeah, let's make a road to 1K. Road to 1K.
Let's do this thing. Let's do this challenge. We say I send the road to 1K. Basically, let's promise them something. Okay, let's promise them something. One, they will tell us in the comments. That's gonna reach at 1K. But send the
yeah.
We can do whatever, not whatever, but we can do something. There are more comments. We say, we'll do this thing. But I also feel we say, I send the behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes of the shit.
Yeah, okay, let's say we say, let's before 1K, now we got a certain number. We say, let's certain number. This number.
Yeah.
This is a class send them behind the scenes. Let's figure 1K. Bese suspendela whatever labafuna ngoba maybe bese kubanele surprise ya 1K.
I feel it.
I feel
it, yeah.
But
it's up to you guys.
It's up to you,
but nevertheless, today we're here, the Uncut Bros. My nigga JR next to me, Oral ST on the bike.
Oh, la.
You feel me? It was a pleasure. It's going to always be a pleasure, bro. Till next day, we're always here. Gonna be here shooting videos. I'm sure you guys enjoy everything. I'm sure you guys have enjoyed the episode. Make sure you get tuned for episode 8. Episode 8 is coming soon. Don't let us down, bro. Like Santeba cool.
Buffet to like and subscribe. Buffet to Sinesco
type shit.
And that's glendegile kusena sime kancane asayiphelile. Sayiphelile. Asasikhona waya manje.
Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment.
Ula.
We out.